Importing JSON to MongoDB. To begin importing JSON files to MongoDB, you'll need to have Studio 3T open and connected to a MongoDB connection. To access the import wizard, click Import from the global toolbar. Take the JSON box as the chosen import format and hit Next. The next screen will allow you to choose one or multiple JSON files to be imported. You can even import JSON files directly from the clipboard. The target database and target collection columns let you decide which database or collection the file should be imported to. Insertion mode lets you define how the data will be inserted. Right-clicking the uploaded file will also let you define insertion mode. Clicking Next will take you to a preview of the server once import is completed. The last screen will give you an import summary and is the last chance to make any changes before you start your import. Once you're sure everything is set up right, click Start Import and you can follow the progress here. That's it for today. Please subscribe to the channel and let us know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and happy querying!